Drag the letter T into the bowl. T, t, t. Great! You put the letter T into the bowl. Which one has the letter T? Tap it.
T.
Good job! Which one has the letter T? Tap it.
T.
Good thinking! Which one has the letter T?
T.
Good work! Trace the lowercase letter T. Great! Trace the uppercase letter T. Great! You traced the letter T. All of these things start with the T sound. Tap them all and listen to the T sound at the beginning.
Tooth, tie, triangle, tape.
Great job! Drag all the things that start with the T sound to the rabbit.
Triangle.
Woohoo!
Tooth.
Woohoo!
Tree.
Woohoo!
Tractor.
Woohoo! Nice work! You found them! Spell the word top. T. Awesome! Drag the letter M to Rhea. Drag the letter T to Peck. T, 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 t. Cool beans!